head on out to the trails. It's 9:03 and nobody else showed up, so we're at Tosohatchee, and Fish Pond Road is under flood status, so we'll see how far we go. Should be a fun adventure. We were here Monday, today's Wednesday. Let's just hit the trails. Fish Hole Road has dried up quite a bit today. Monday, this was all underwater. Today, we're on dry ground. So this is a great road to come out when it's torrentially rained, because that's when you'll get the cool water crossings.
People wear shorts, but yeah, shorts and flip-flops is crazy out in the woods.
Well, just because I'm really prone to catching snakes.
Yeah, you go right into them. So.
Yeah. I don't know if I'll catch it or not. Well, today I find something different. A little ribbon snake. And that's my first snake of the day. And in the water he goes. Just like that, he's gone. Always turn him loose. So I'm coming up to the area that was all underwater on Monday. As you can see forward, you just have to stay in the middle of the road. This was actually the tree that I turned around at. And this was all underwater. Now look at it. My concern still here, even though the water level's really down, is I know this area has a hole right here. What I don't know is, has this current removed the road? Jim's Creek flows up to St. John's River. It's going to be slow going to get across this. Still scary. Well,
the implant.
I had to go in the
The
swamp
others are trying to save it.
to try to find the drone. The drone, as you saw, started off going this way, and then I don't know if it lost signal or what. It just took a left over there. Luckily, it landed in dry ground and just folded the back legs. The Find My Drone feature just went in just a little bit, but we thought it went further, so we climbed around in thick palmettos and swamps. I'm now wet, but I carry flip-flops in my recovery bag. We're done now. Gonna finish out the loop. We came out to where the chimney is, but being that I'm now in flip-flops, we opted to come out and do it another day because the trail is in water, and my flip-flops are my backup for dry feet. So we'll come out and watch for the video of the chimney out of Tosohatchee from what's left of buildings at parking lot number 25. Well, that's our bonus footage out at Tosohatchee. We came out, took our rides, and had some water crossings. I did see a couple of gators. Got a little more muddy, crashed the drone, and luckily one of them, and had a pretty good time. It's a lot drier. It's amazing. We thank you for riding along. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Welcome to Tosohatchee. We're back. It's Wednesday, and I'm Matt.
I'm Jackie.
And she works at the ranger station here. So this is what I was talking about in today's video earlier, is that you should come in and you should ask questions like, how flooded are the roads?
Very flooded.
Can a car make it?
No.
What happens if you go off of named and numbered roads?
You'll get stuck and we will not come pull you out.
And is there a potential ticket?
Yes, definitely.
So if there's a sign that says closed to vehicle traffic, road closed, either one of those, what do you think a rough estimate of the ticket would be?
$200 to $500, maybe.
Depending on your attitude and what you tore up. Because what type of species are out here that are threatened?
Gopher turtles, snakes, and anything else that goes in there runs away from everything.
So are any of these structures still around?
The only one that's still around is going to be that chimney over there.
The chimney?
Mm-hmm.
And where's that chimney located?
That is going to be located near parking 25.
Parking spot number 25. So
it's about a half-mile hike up north of that fire break.
Well, this is the ranger station. Again, if you come in and you can come out here and go riding, there is a fee. What is the fee if you don't have a permit?
It is $3 per person in your vehicle. It used to be $3 per vehicle.
Per vehicle.
Changed.
So $3 per person. So in your vehicle. If you have the annual pass,
then it's free.
Does it cover everybody in your vehicle?
It does. It actually
Okay.
does. And if you are over 65, if you are disabled, or you are part of the military, you're also free as well.
So you hear that. Disabled veterans, you're free all the way around.
Your vehicle
And
as
it's
well.
always good to check in just simply to let them know that you're out here. What time does it close?
The park itself is open from 8 a.m. to right now the main gate is closing at 7:30 p.m.
7:30. And just to let you know, if by chance you're out here and it gets past that time, the gate does open. You won't have to sleep at the gate. It opens automatically.
Will not get locked in here.
I know. Well, thank you for the information, and we're getting ready to go out and ride on Fish Pond Road again.